As I've mentioned before, my tool of the day videos are often inspired by what I'm doing in the moment. And in this moment, I'm making a video on fixing this Hemi Dodge Pacifica here with the big 3.6 and the misfire. And I'm utilizing something that is just a useful tool. Your classic Astro 94-404 magnetic spark plug socket set. Now, it comes here as a 4-piece with a 9/16, the 5/8, and your classic 13/16 in case you're working on something of that vintage, but the ones we primarily use are the 5/8 and the 9/16. And they are magnetic, so no fiddling with any rubber business. Down the hole, cracker loose. Spinner out, magnetic, not messing with the rubber. Now I will say this, I have a snap-on magnetic spark plug socket. And they're not as good as the Astro ones because of where Snap-on puts the magnet. Their magnet is way up in the barrel. And if you are even remotely sideways on it, it'll 100% crack the spark plug 99% of the time. And that's the truth. So as simple as these seem, they are pretty nice. I think I was severely abusing one day on an impact, doing something non-spark plug related, and I broke one. But they warrantied it, which was great. Maybe I shouldn't have said that out loud. But they're just a handy tool. And if you're just getting into this industry, you're a young guy, you're gonna need some spark plug sockets. These are not gonna be the only ones you need, but these are a good addition to your kit. But you're gonna need many other ones. I have several different sets of dedicated spark plug sockets. But these, I would say, I use the most. They're the most universal, if you will. You see what I did there? Because of the universal on it. That's the best I got, folks. Thanks for watching.